bust these two loose, and I can slowly lower the jack down, and you can watch these move up. And then I know I got enough pressure off those bolts. I can bust those loose, and then I gotta get behind. About these. I'm gonna bust those loose. I can move the whole mount out of the way. Break the free arm there. Okay. Here we are. I'm excited. I have to use my new impact. See how it performs. Okay. Yeah. I gotta jack it up a little bit. Yeah. Because it's dropping the motor. Thought those were actually spinning around on top of that. Ain't cool. Alright, it's a 60. Well, somehow my 15 deep has disappeared. I'm gonna have to use a tight 9/16. I'm not happy. That isn't good. Tight 9. Okay, let's do this. There we go. Beautiful. Tight 9. But the ammo's tight. Tight 9/16s. Got that all the way back. That is it. Okay, all the way to, get that all the way to 3. That would help. Alright. That would have helped. I'm going the wrong direction. Okay. So now, all I need to do is I need to take them out. Take them out as far as I can go. Okay, whoops. Okay, good. I saw it because when I started wrapping on it, it started going tighter and tighter, so I knew that it was actually tightening it. Okay, so what I need to do now is I need to slowly lower the frame a little bit. Slow. Whoa! Alright, okay. That's all I need. See, I got a little bit of a gap there now. Alright. That takes care of that. Let's go pull these top ones, the front ones. Alright. That one's stiff, huh? Okay. Being successful so far. Completely out. And that's another nice thing is you can slowly just push on the handle or the trigger and it'll slowly back them out. Not like a lot of air impact wrenches. You got that speed all the time. Okay, sweet. These off of here. Back to 9/16, huh? Actually, what I wanted to do is leave those alone. I wanted to pull those down there with the 15s. That Invil's got a good grip on it. Okay. Nice. Okay. I'm not gonna write it. We're done. I think. Alright, so I can pop this mount completely out. There we go. Sit right there. Now, as we can see, I now have access to the front mount. But now I got to get in here because there's mounts in here that hold the reservoir. Get to that. Okay. Well, the Roby's working good so far. I'm impressed because I've never had used a battery operated impact. All right, so I got to get my socket and get that ratchet. Get my poor middle finger is having issues right now. Okay, good. Let's get that down there. Use the 3/8 ratchet. And I got a cheater bar here. So I can pop that off of the tensioning pulley right here. Okay. I'll leave it just like that. Where's my ratchet? Because I need to be able to rotate power steering pulley. Because I got a bolt right here. And I got a bolt right here. And this is the problem. I had the mount in the way. He's got two. He's got the two. One. No, it's three. Excuse me. Okay. And I think those are 13s. Just 13 deep. Yep, 13 deep. There you go. Arch your back. deep. There's no tension to it all. But you got to get under there. The nice thing about it, I'm just going to leave it like that where it is, and I can try and start it. Gloves are working good, other than they're not for cold weather use. Oh, you did. Doggone it. All right, next one. Find the next one. And what the? Yeah, let's see if I can get that doggone nut. There you are. Let go. Alright. There's one nut right there. Okay, next one. Let's see. It was right there.